The key fob for your 2011-2015 Ford Edge uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You can replace it yourself easily and save money. All you need is a new CR2032 battery, typically costing $3 to $5, and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob. First, locate the seam on the side of the key fob. Gently insert the pry tool and separate the two halves. The battery is seated inside with the positive plus side facing up. Carefully remove the old battery, noting the correct orientation, and insert the new one in the same way. Snap the fob back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. You should be able to lock and unlock the doors from about 10 to 15 feet away. If it doesn't work, you might need to reprogram it. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, you may need to reprogram it. Enter the vehicle with your spare key. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Within 10 seconds, press the lock button on the key fob. If you have multiple fobs, repeat this process for each one. If that doesn't work, or your key fob is still malfunctioning, the internal circuit board may be damaged, especially if exposed to extreme heat or moisture, as corrosion from battery acid leakage can cause problems. Always use the correct CR2032 3-volt battery to avoid damaging the fob's electronics. It's also wise to ground yourself before handling the internal components to prevent electrostatic discharge (ESD) damage. If problems persist, professional service may be required.